Greetings, it is Carla Moore, and this is the third to last video that I will be posting about fitness on my Country from Long Time channel. The nether one I'm gonna put it over here, so yeah, me get this from Tina. You know Tina, she's the fancy face. Yeah, you need to go follow her on Twitter. And if you want pretty, follow her on them. So I'm gonna put the link here. Me really cute like she when me do it. Yeah, so anyway, because me in the middle of some obsessive compulsive workout fiesta, before me even get up and clean my teeth properly, me that jumping pan insanity long time ready for go. Yeah, only for really get the confirmation. So whether it is in my room or outer door, me can't do nothing on the floor. So I have one little piece of carpet. So I did a jump up and down pan the piece of carpet for soften the blow to the man who live under me. That sound bad. The man who live on the floor below me. Unfortunately, you know, say Shanti love you have to jump on a prance like gazelle. The carpet she start move. So now me and the carpet just a slide go down towards the kitchen and a slide go up towards the window. And I'm like, this is not little John, it's not to the window, to the wall. So I say, okay, that's where the carpet. That's where the carpet. Me literally feel the building a shake. I don't know if it's big me, big sorry weak, the building weak so, but I'm more sure me see drywall. Pan like the support, like the foundation wall them on the building. I don't know how the building house in Canada, but I know so house for build. That's all I have to say to you. Anyway, so I don't look insanity and whatever. I'm not sweating as much as I did in Jamaica. It could be because me chop it and open the window, but I need breeze still. I need breeze. So I'm gonna do it, and I had a fruit for breakfast. And tomorrow is another cleanse day. So if anybody actually wants to come on the cleanse and claim so I did miss the last one because we never give you warning. It's 2 o'clock now. You have time to go to the supermarket and buy the fruits and vegetables and juice that you need to do the cleanse. Even if you don't want juice, you can just go ahead and drink water. You have no excuse to not do the cleanse this time around. So we are going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We are eating fruits and vegetables and some nuts because sometimes you just need a little, you know, peanut or almond or something like that in your life. And we are going to go ahead and take it. So remember, what are we in pursuit of? We are in pursuit of good health, but we are also in pursuit. I'm wanting to tell me something about that one. On the link me now more fitness and answer the question. You know the moment when you just back off your clothes in front of somebody because either like you're just beach or something like that, or you know other instances when you back off your clothes in front of somebody. You know that look of slap-jawed wonder that people can get when your body just turn right up and buck. How much motivation is that for you to actually stick to a fitness regime? Because that will get me through the first 2 weeks. The idea somebody just like peel off clothes and the smother say, Jesus. But then after 2 weeks, I'm like, boy, I don't really know how much. That we just take it if you just go, oh wow, that's nice, or not even say nothing. We just do, you know what I'm saying? You know what? I just run into the water and swim. It's fine. So please talk to me about that. Also, if you have any recipes like for salads and stuff that you want to share, I appreciate of that. You can share them with me here. You can share them with me getfitbitch.tumblr on my Tumblr page, and I will share them or reshare them. You can share them on More Fitness. Remember, if you are interested in having me be your Beachbody coach, or if you're interested in purchasing Beachbody products, you can check the link below and get them there. As me set up Bandolo to something then. Remember, third to last video that's going up on Country from Long Time. So please subscribe to my Get Fit Bitch YouTube page for all of them type of something here. Turbo Fire has been ordered. It is on the way. The body is coming. Okay, I'm gonna eat another salad now. Bye bye. When I see me start eat the cookie, then load me. Thanks.